How to remove Meta AI on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Meta AI on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, let me tell you that Messenger does not allow completely deleting Meta AI, but you can mute, archive, or limit it so it no longer bothers you. So here, with that, let's move forward with the process. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the Messenger, you can simply go to the chat list. Now here, once you are inside the chat list, you can just look for the chat with Meta AI if you have done one. So here, if you have done a chatting with Meta AI, then here what you can do is you can simply scroll down and search for Meta AI, and after that you can just tap and hold on the chat, and after that you can just tap on mute, and here you can just select mute message and call notification, and after that you can just tap on OK, and on the next pop-up select until I change it and tap on OK. And with that, you can just tap and hold on the Meta AI chat again, and there from the pop-up menu you can just tap on archive as well. And once you tap on it, this will remove it from your main chat list. And here at last, if you don't open or reply the Meta AI chat, then it usually stays archived and won't appear frequently. So here with that, here is the important thing. Meta AI is built into Messenger, so it cannot be permanently removed at the moment. So updates from Meta platforms may change this option in future, but for now, you can't do it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.